Winco products are made to meet the high demands of a kitchen. Trusted and reliable. 0.05-inch thick stainless steel basting spoon. Winco products range from tabletop to kitchen utensils to food preparation supplies. Winco products are used by all food service and hospitality industry experts worldwide. Good quality product. Winco has been a trusted and reliable brand in professional kitchens for over 20 years. Our commercial lines of products, ranging from tabletop to kitchen utensils to food preparation supplies, are used by all food service and hospitality industry experts worldwide. While our products are made to meet the high demands of a restaurant kitchen, we are excited to now make them available for the serious home chef. Top reviews from the United States. Large cooking spoon. Hi all, I use this spoon at the grill. I cook a little differently at the grill. I use a large cast iron pan like you would at the stove. The spoon it use for scooping the food out of the pan after it's cooked, and it works perfectly, and being that it's stainless it cleans well. I put it right in the dishwasher. Because it's long I don't heat up my hand.